The traffic flow. LOS Interactive Calculator helps engineers determine traffic conditions and level of service across different facility types. Let's explore the drop-down menus first. For calculation mode, you can select Calculate Density and Loss from Flow and Speed, Calculate Flow Rate from Density and Speed, Calculate Space Mean Speed from Flow and Density, Calculate VSC Ratio and Loss from Volume and Capacity, Calculate Loss from Free Flow Speed Reduction, or Calculate Loss from Average Control Delay. I'll use Calculate Density and LOS from Flow and Speed. For facility type, options include Freeway Highway, Multi-Lane Highway, Urban Arterial, or Signalized Intersection. I'm selecting Freeway Highway. Now for a worked example, I'll enter 10 for flow rate in vehicles per hour and 10 for space mean speed in mph. After clicking Calculate Traffic Flow in LOS, here are our results. The density equals 1.0 vehicles per mile. Flow rate confirms our input at 10 vehicles per hour. Speed shows 10.00 mph. The VC ratio is 0.004. Level of service is LOSA, and the condition is acceptable. These values indicate extremely light traffic conditions with optimal flow characteristics. This calculator streamlines traffic analysis for engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.